Mount Sunday.
So this is the filming spot for Edoras, which is the home of King Theoden, or the Rohirrim, the horse people in Lord of the Rings. It appears in the Two Towers. Now, this particular filming location is accessible through private property, but they have given access to the public. However, not access to any tour groups or guides. So it's one of the quieter spots for Lord of the Rings filming location. They will have been offered money, but they will have turned it down and said, no, we just want to keep this quiet. We don't want the groups. So it's actually a really lovely spot. We stayed at a place called Lake Clearwater last night. So that's a great place to camp just before driving down the rest of the 20 minutes to reach the foot of Mount Sunday. We're about to walk up and go and see the location. It'll be great. But it's beautiful clear water. It's actually really difficult to ball past on top of a mountain. I've had to put this box here to stop the flames going out. That's a Pesto. I actually really like this. So we've been recommended this chocolate since before we got here. Apparently some of the best chocolate in New Zealand. We've not actually tried it yet. So I'm going to give it a try. This bar cost is $6.90, was it, babe? Which is about £3. But you know, it's a decent enough size of chocolate.
It tastes really yummy. Very nice.
That is really good chocolate. We went to fill up some fresh water and empty the used water, the sink water. We realised this pipe here, this tube head, actually came out of the grey water, the used water, so things like cleaning our teeth, and then leaked the water all over the back of the van. So Paris and I are starting to clean that up now. Bit of a nightmare, a little bit of a pickle, but it's not the end of the world. And I guess at least we did it on like our second day and didn't notice the pipe was in, rather than, you know, driving around for another couple of weeks and it just building up, and it might even cause an issue. Won't be a problem, but you know, is what it is, right? These things will happen. I decided to go for a simple dinner of cheese and crackers while Paris is boiling some soft boiled eggs and has some salad. She's through the mosquito net, which you can see right now, and in goes the eggs.